and welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Ecomi. What's the current price of the Ecomi? What's the price changes over in the Ecomi? And before starting this interesting video, as you know, please, I request you to please click the subscribe button and like this video, friends. I know you all of my friends and you will subscribe my channel. That is why I want to thank you so much, friends. Now let's start the video, friends. Currently the latest price of the Omi coin in the market is now 0.0032229 USD dollar. You can read, stop the video, you read the price of the Omi coin. And if you look the price changes okay in the Omi coin, so the last 1 hour price change is going negative, and the last 1 day price change is also going negative. You can see here last 1 week price is also going negative. The whole changes occur in the Omi coin as going negative. Now that is the bad time of Omi coin, and the bad time you have to patience for a good time, friends. I know at this time the price of the Omi coin is going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, but for a good time you have to wait. So just understand it's time to hold, not to sell, friends. Just imagine, for instance, if you decide to sell Omi coin on this price, absolutely you, as you know, that the last 1 week pricing as negative. So just imagine that you are in the loss, friends. You are in the loss if you decide to sell Omi coin on this price, friends. And if you decide to hold Omi coin, so maybe there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future. And if they take a jump in the future, so absolutely you are in the profit, friends. Anyways, let's see the price chart. You can see here from the previous last 1 day the price is going down, but I think they gradually struggle to move upward, friends. As you can see here, if we look the last 1 hour, so you can see here, I think in the last 1 hour they will again take a jump in the futures. Now they will start moving upwards. So I hope that they continue this jump for a long time. And as I told you that maybe there's chances that they take a jump in the future, friends. So absolutely, when they take a jump in the future, so absolutely on this time you will earn the profit, friends. Anyways, if you look the last 1 day, last 24 hours price changes occur in the Omi, so negative 1.12%, the price is going fast down. And the highest price is 0.003538 USD dollar is the highest price of the Omi in the last 1 day in the 24-hour, friends. So what do you think? What's your prediction about Omi? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this interesting video.